Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Have an Immigration Canada. This video I'm discussing about Alberta's self-employed farmer stream category. That has been an investor category for owner operators who want to invest in the farming sector here in Alberta to get uh, they want to settle in Alberta with their families and want to make Alberta as their home. Now let's go to detail about this program. Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program's self-employed farmer stream is made to attract farmers, owner-operators who plan to live in Alberta in order to purchase and manage their farming business here in Alberta. AANP assesses applicants' eligibility by working closely with Alberta's Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry. To be considered for immigration to Alberta under this category, individual with the intention to set up a farming business in Alberta must demonstrate the farm management skills and sufficient financial resources to invest in the primary production farming business in Alberta. What are the minimum requirements for this program? Self-employed farmer must meet the following minimum requirement in order to be eligible. The first is they have to prove that they have the farm management skills with financial documentation of existing farm business, proof of education, training and work experience, a proposed business plan that describes the Alberta farming business the applicant plan to operate in Alberta, and proof that the Canadian financial institution is willing to finance the applicant's farming business operations in Alberta. The only good thing in this one, if your business plan is up to date and meet all the requirement, one of the banks, the Business Development Corporation Bank of Canada, they can also finance you. If you have the minimum requirement, minimum money to invest in Canada, the remaining can be financed. This is the beauty of this program. Candidate also have to prove that they have sufficient financial resources for this venture. Candidate must be able to invest a minimum of 500,000 or half a million of equity in the primary production farming business in Alberta, and they also have to show a minimum net worth of Canadian $500 or half a million or confirmation to access to similar funds from other sources. So there is a one condition, this 500,000 or half a million minimum investment amount, but the more money you have, the larger amount may be required to demonstrate the investment ability. If you are on that borderline 500 and 550,000, do not expect that the case can go through, right? If you are investing half a million, you must have at least two to $300,000 more for your operation to self-sufficiently support you. So this is also a big concern, right? When you are looking for any kind of investment in any category, not in this one, even in owner operator, there is no minimum requirement. But if you're buying a business of 50, 60, $100,000, you must have that much money to support your operation afterward. How you pay rent, how you pay the salary for your employees, and how to purchase the inventory and other stuff, right? The next condition is candidate have to prove that they will invest in a primary production farming business in Alberta, document investment intention in the proposed business plan, and the government of Alberta prioritize applications that show the greatest opportunity for growth based on the Alberta's agri-food targets. If you are in agri-food business, your application is one that will give a priority by the government of Alberta. Candidate also have to attend an in-person interview with the government of Alberta representative who determine the applicant's eligibility under the AANP program. Whether you can speak fluent English, you understand either English or French, are you comfortable living in there, what are your plans, how will you prioritize your uh, the things you have mentioned in business plan, how will you put your business plan into operation. Those are the all things they will ask you in person interview with the government representative who will check your eligibility whether you are the candidate they are looking for or not. Now let's see who is not eligible to apply for this ANP self-employed farmer stream. Candidates who are not eligible to apply are refugee claimants or individual involved in the federal appeal or removal process. Any candidate who's in a live-in caregiver category residing in Canada, they are not eligible under this category. Temporary foreign worker working and residing in a province other than Alberta, they cannot apply for this program. International students studying in Canada, including students doing a co-op work placement or internship as a part of their study program, are not eligible for this program. So everybody else, they are eligible. So these are the few categories. So again, I just wanted to mention you guys all that if you are a refugee claimant and your file is in process, you simply cannot apply it to any other process until you are doing a spousal sponsorship. That's the only case. So I get few inquiries last week about this one. So do not think going into any other detail, because legally you cannot go into any other category. It's only the spousal sponsorship that can save you if you think your application will be denied or on the verge of denial, or you are getting a deportation order. So this is the only way you can save yourself. So but again, case by case, but for refugees this is the only other criteria. So there was a little update about the Alberta self-employed farmer stream category. So I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.